Taking a look at my parts list, my top gussets have a finished length of 10 1/4 inches. We previously calculated this, but we want to verify this measurement. We can measure the top of our project, and we can see that 10 1/4 inches is an accurate measurement. On the miter saw, I'm going to start by marking both ends of my board. I'm going to take off as little as possible just to square up one of the ends. I'm then going to measure to 10 1/4 inches, mark my board, and then set up a stop block. And with my good newly squared end against the stop block, I can cut 2 pieces. I now have my 2 top gussets that are a thickness of 3/4 of an inch, a width of 2 1/4 inches, and a length of 10 1/4 inches.